I think the best metaphor I heard about for my sleep in particular was what Jack said, is that I slept like a rotisserie chicken.
And you can see the clouds up on the hills. There's some there. We had a good breakfast, mostly good. Some of us, not all of us ate it.
We can do it! Chillers!
And so here we are, yet again, for part 3 of our Peruvian adventures. Today marks day 2 of the trail, and by far was going to be one of the most challenging days of all. With over 12 kilometres of hiking and over 1,000 metres of elevation gain, this was going to be a tough day, and to add to that, we were starting with a nice early start.
Good morning. The time is 20 to 8 in the morning. We set off at 6:30. We've got 12k to do today. 1,100 metres of elevation. So fuck a lot. But doing well. All the porters overtook us, and then I was like, so much energy, I thought I was going to go for it. So I asked if anyone else wanted to. They didn't. So I'm on my own. There's a porter behind me. Very steep, and I'm out of breath. Overtaking Chris, who left early. Yeah, feeling good. Gonna have a break in a minute, but it's just incredible. Like, oh no, I don't even have words to describe. The view this morning was amazing. Just had a break, feeling better. I can actually talk properly. It is bloody steep, like incredibly steep. That has been fucking hard. Still out of breath. I've made it to a campsite. There's like a few bits around. The sheer size of these mountains. Look at down here a bit. It's just ridiculous. That was hard. I've had music in for about 20 minutes, probably an hour ahead of everyone. But a porter said that it's just up here, so keep powering through. I think I might get there like 45 minutes early, but I'm well proud of that. I feel great, like the legs are feeling it, but I feel so good. But it's great. It's currently 8:07 in the morning, so we're getting there. It's been just over an hour and a half since we left camp, but feeling good. But all of it is just like steps, just the whole way up. The time is 8:10, and I've made it to the first campsite. That was hard, but we'll see when everyone else gets in. But that view, wow, this is just. So we camped all the way down there at the bottom, like right at the bottom. This is incredible. Right, it's been 20 minutes. I'm feeling absolutely amazing. And guess what? Just as I pull out the camera, Ollie has made it. He's the first one up. How did you find that?
It was tough, but it wasn't too bad.
No, I thought it was tough, but I'm feeling much better now. I've sat down and my bag's come off. But the view up here is incredible. The clouds have just come in. A minute ago, I could see that whole mountain. It was crazy. The time is 20 to 9, and the next two have arrived.
We are here with this delicious fruit that I have no clue what it is. It was in our packed lunches. I don't think a single other person has eaten these in our group. So I'm going to try it, give you an honest review right now. I don't know what to think. I also don't know what part I'm supposed to eat. I think it's good. I feel now that I know it's passion fruit, my rating's going to go up. But I feel that's a subconscious bias.
The time is 9 o'clock on the dot, and the next three have just come in. How are we feeling? Llamas, alpacas.
Insane, it's fucking nuts. It's awesome to be here, but man, swallowed my pride. That was tough. My legs are
That's good. As you can see, it started raining.
a lot, and we're all suited and booted. Some look more stupid than others, I've got to say. It's very steep. What altitude are we at, anyone? Like 3,400, 500?
Too high.
Too high apparently, according to Tom.
My heart rate's going so fast.
3833, and we've got Katy Perry on now, so hopefully the moods are gonna go.
So close to filming my advert.
How are you feeling, Sophie?
Really fucking tired. But I'm gonna make it. Because I said I would. So I'm gonna do it. I'm liking the geography around here. Yeah.
How you doing, Will?
I'm doing it. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me,
Oh, country girl.
I'm out of breath, but I'm not out of spirit. I'm ready to go up here. At my own pace, obviously. After all, the tail did beat the hair. But, you know, good spirits. Good spirits. How can I not? How can I not be? As Sophie said, beautiful scenery. If my spirits ever dip, I turn around.
I'm feeling absolutely great. Bit soggy, but yeah, this isn't really the look.
And we started making progress up to the summit, but the weather was coming in quickly and some of our spirits were a bit low, whereas others were maybe a bit higher.
We're an hour from the last campsite. Feeling good?
Nearly at the top.
Like half an hour to the top, maybe 40 minutes, I reckon.
Yeah, can't wait for that picture. Spirits are high.
Spirits are high, aren't they, Sophie?
Yeah.
Kind of.
We're in great spirits, but we keep seeing like shadows of people like across the top of the mountain, like silhouettes, and we know we're gonna have to walk there. But like we've done far, we've basically climbed most of it.
Oh my god.
Could have
Could have made it a bit easier, couldn't they?
We're nearly at the top. We're just there, the top. So it's gonna go around here and up. I think we're definitely feeling it now.
Yeah.
There is like hundreds of groups there. We're kind of lucky that we've actually got some space. But we've got the music going. Feeling good. How are you feeling, Tom?
Out of breath, but good.
Yeah, the altitude's definitely making it a bit,
It's kicking in now.
make us breathe a lot, but not too bad. We're nearly at the top. I think it's right there. You can tell the oxygen is like much thinner here because we are out of breath and we're not moving very quickly. But going strong. How are you feeling, Sophie? Sophie doesn't want to talk. I think she's supposed to get there. Well, how are we feeling?
Great.
How are we feeling, mate? He's got the music, he's got the vibes, and we gave some Pringles and Oreos to the porters, and their faces lit up like they'd just seen, like, I don't know, like something really cool for the first time. So that was a good morale boost for us as well. But I think I fucking made it to the top.
These are the essentials. Was it worth it?
I'll tell you in 10 minutes because right now I'm on the verge of tears. A, I'm proud of myself, and B, I'm fucking dead.
Like me, that was brutal. I'm here now though, so.
Yeah, you've been drying them.
But yeah, a bit cold. I can't really move my hand much anymore. Yeah, we're here. It's the highest point we're gonna get to. We're down
Feeling
here.
good?
Yeah.
I'm feeling actually really good. That was amazing. You can see some of the people all the way down the trail. You can't see the valley at all. We're at 4125 or something around there. But feeling great. The views up here were incredible. The camera really doesn't pick it up. But here we are, almost at the halfway point and the highest point of the whole trail.
And that's campsite, the green. And I have made it to the summit. very out of breath. But that was fucking incredible. That was amazing. We're about 4,200 meters up, half the height of Everest. Now we've made it to the top. We've got about a 4 kilometer climb down that way. It should take us about 2 hours, hopefully an hour and a half. But the rain's eased off. It was quite torrential on the way up. But feeling good. This is just incredible. We're exactly 50% of the way up here, way like through the Inca Trail, and it's just easier from here. And there's groups coming up, left, right, and centre. It's incredible.
I can barely see it. We made it to the top.
How far did you come?
All the way.
1,000 meters. 1,000 meters.
Oh yeah.
Stuff tastes different at different altitudes. Some we've tried. This was bottled at a lower altitude.
Don't worry guys, it's his first beer.
Yeah guys, I remember my first beer too. We're gonna have a little swig.
Swig of the view.
Beautiful, golden lager. It's actually quite a nice tasting beer. It's not the most unique beer I've had. Just a regular like golden lager. Right, we're just leaving the summit. The rain stopped, and we are making our way down into the depths of the valley, into the cloud. Should take about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then we've got to wait for everyone before we can have lunch. But pretty sure we can have loads of snacks and stuff. Play some cards, warm up a bit. But feeling good.
That's not really what it's about.
And just like that, the descent into the valley had begun. And while I attempted to film a very bad time lapse, Sophie decided to take a tumble to the floor. But we took each step as a step closer to eating lunch and making it to camp. With porters running past us with humongous bags, we thought it'd be a good idea to try a TikTok trend.
This was not the place to do it.
Safe to say that didn't go very well, and we didn't end up posting that.
Yeah, conga off the cliff, guys.
We're about halfway down the mountain. According to Henry, we've done 10k today, and we've got 12k to do in total. Feeling good. The sun's come out. Everyone is taking off all their layers, and all the clouds are like dissipating.
As I already said, we're on the flat now, and we're all very happy that it's happening.
Yeah, well, it's a bit downhill now, but that flat was nice. But we are nearly at the bottom, and down there is the campsite. Yes!
That's not much feature.
But we're feeling good. We're nearly at camp. The sun has come out and I can feel the UV burning my skin. How are you feeling, Sophie?
I'm feeling better now because there's no incline.
Yeah, Sophie went non-verbal earlier. She was not in a good spirit, but we kept going and we've made it. Oh, there's a cool waterfall up there. We've made it, we're nearly there. It's been a very good day, but I can't wait to just eat lunch. And we have made it to camp. Ah! Yay. We made it!
Anyway, how are you feeling about today?
So energized!
Did you enjoy today?
And we ended the night with an amazing meal and a few rounds of cards before an early night's sleep. Next time in part 4.
The 25 kilogram porter bags. Looking exhausted. Yeah, but that was worth it.